Thiruvan University, partial exam 2079, bachelor level, 4 years program, education B.Ed first year, mathematics, calculus, math, education 417 major subject question paper. Full marks 100, time 3 hours. Here are 3 groups. Group A is of 20 marks, Group B is of 56 marks, and Group C is of 24 marks. Group A, attempt all the questions. Tick the best answer. Question number 1. If limit x tends to a plus fx not equal to limit x tends to a minus 0 fx, then fx is said to have a. An ordinary discontinuity at x equal to a. B. A removable discontinuity at x equal to a. C. An infinite discontinuity at x equal to a. D. An oscillatory discontinuity at x equal to a. Question number 2. What is the nth derivative of y equal to sin ax? A into sin n pi upon 2 plus ax. B. A power n into sin n pi upon 2 plus ax. C. A power n into sin pi by 2 plus ax. D. A power n into cos n pi upon 2 plus ax. Question number 3. What is the expansion of sin x? A. X minus x square upon 3 factorial plus x power 5 upon 5 factorial minus x power 7 upon 7 factorial. B. 1 minus x plus x square upon 2 factorial minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x power 4 upon 4 factorial minus C. 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial plus x power 4 upon 4 factorial minus x power 6 upon 6 factorial plus D. Minus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3 minus Question number 4. What is the value of limit x tends to 0 x into log x? A. 1, B. 0, C. minus 1, D. infinity. Question number 5. What is the value of delta u upon delta x at 1, 1 if u equal to root over x cube plus y cube? A. 3 under 2 upon 4, B. minus 1 upon 4, C. 3 upon 4, D. 0. Question number 6. If the tangent to a curve y equal to fx is perpendicular to x-axis, then A. dy upon dx greater than 0, B. dy upon dx not equal to 0, C. dy upon dx less than 0, D. dy upon dx equal to 0. Question number 7. The function fxy of two variables is said to have a maximum value if A. fxx less than 0 and fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square greater than 0. B. fxx greater than 0, fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square greater than 0. C. fxx less than 0 and fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square less than 0. D. fxx greater than 0 and fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square less than 0. Question number 8. What is the chord of curvature parallel to y-axis? A. 2 rho cos psi, B. 2 rho sin psi, C. Rho cos psi, D. Rho sin psi. Question number 9. What are the asymptotes parallel to y-axis for the curve x y cube minus x cube equal to x square plus y square? A. X equal to 1, B. Y equal to 1, C. X equal to 0, D. Y equal to 0. Question number 10. A curve is symmetrical about y-axis if the equation of the curve remains unaltered when x is changed to A. X, B. minus x, C. Y, D. minus y. Question number 11. What is the envelope of family of the straight lines? Y equal to mx plus a upon m not equal to 0. A. X square plus y square equal to a square, B. X square equal to 4ay, C. Y square equal to 4ax, D. X square minus y square equal to p square. Question number 12. What is the value of integral log x dx? A. X log x, B. X log x minus x, C. X log x plus x, D. Log x upon x. Question number 13. The value of 0 to 2a, the value of integral 0 to 2a fx dx is 0 if A. F a minus x equal to fx, B. F 2a minus x equal to fx, C. F a minus x equal to minus fx, D. F 2a minus x equal to minus fx. Question number 14. What is the value of integration 0 to infinity e to power minus x cos bx dx? A upon a square plus b square, B. A upon a square minus b square, C. A square plus b square upon a, D. A square minus b square upon a, where a greater than 0. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not true? A. Beta mn equal to beta nm. B. Gamma n plus 1 equal to n into gamma n. C. Beta mn equal to gamma m into gamma n upon gamma m plus n. D. Gamma n equal to n factorial. Question number 16. What is the area of the parabola y equal to 4ax bounded by its lattice rectum? A. 8a square upon 3. B. 2a square upon 3. C. 4a square upon 3. D. a square upon 3. Question number 17. The arc length of the pedal curve P equal to f are between 2 points whose radius vector are r1 and r2 is dot dot dot. A. Integration of r2 to r1 r dr whole upon r square plus p square. B. Integration r1 to r2 r dr upon under root r square minus p square. C. Integration r2 to r1 r dr upon under root p square minus r square. D. Integration r2 to r2 r dr whole upon under root p square plus r square. Question number 18. What is the volume of the solid obtained by revolving the area of the curve y equal to fx from x equal to a to x equal to b about the line y equal to c? A. Pi into integration a to b y minus c whole square dx. B. Pi into integration a to b x minus c whole square dy. C. Pi into integration a to b x minus b whole square dx. D. Pi into integration a to b y minus c whole square dy. Question number 19. A differential equation of the form dy upon dx plus py equal to q, in which p and q are function of x alone or constants, is called dot dot dot. A. Linear differential equation. B. Exact equation. C. Homogeneous equation. D. Bernoulli equation. Question number 20. What is the general solution of the differential equation? D square plus 6d plus 9 into y equal to 0. A. C1 plus C2x into e power minus 3x. B. e to power 3x into c1 plus c2x. C. e to power 3x into c1 minus c2x. D. e to power minus 3x into c1 minus c2x. Attempt all the question. Group B. Question number 1. If y equal to cos m into sin inverse x, so that 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into x into yn plus 1 plus m square minus y square yn equal to 0. Question number 2. State Lagrange mean value theorem. Verify Lagrange mean value theorem for fx equal to under x square minus 4 in the closed interval 2, 4. Or question. Assuming the possibility of expansion so that e to power ax sin bx equal to bx plus abx square plus b into 3a square minus b square upon 3 factorial into x cube plus dot dot dot. Question number 3. If u equal to cos inverse x plus y upon under x plus under y, so that x into delta u upon delta x plus y into delta u upon delta y plus 1 upon 2 cot u equal to 0. Question number 4. Prove that the straight line x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1 touches the curve y equal to b e to power minus x upon a at the point where the curve crosses the axis of y. Question number 5. Find the altitude of the right circular cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a given right circular cone of height h. Or question. Find the maximum value of u equal to x, y, z subject to the condition x plus y plus z equal to 24. Question number 6. Using properties of definite integral, prove that integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta into d theta equal to pi by 8 into log 2. Question number 7. A. Prove that gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial. B. Evaluate integration 1 to infinity 1 upon x cube dx. Question number 8. Find the perimeter of the circle x square plus y square a square. Or question. The area of the parabola y equal to 4ax bounded by its lattice rectum is revolved about its axis. Find the area of the surface thus generated. Group C. Question number 9. So that the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, the radius of curvature at the extremity of the major axis is equal to half the lattice rectum. Question number 9b. Find all asymptotes of the curve x cube plus 3x square y minus xy square minus y cube minus 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Or question. A. Discuss the properties and sketch the curve y square into x square plus y square plus a square into x square minus y square equal to 0. B. Find the envelope of the family of straight lines y equal to mx minus a into under root 1 plus m square, where m is parameter. Question number 10. Solve. A. P square minus 2p minus 3 equal 0. B. D square minus 7d plus 12 into y equal to 0. बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर देखिए बीएड फोर्थ ईयरसम्म का जुन चाहिँ विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1 को प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोल्नुहोला र त्यहाँ दिएका क्वेसनको राम्रो प्रिपरेसन गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1 भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र तपाईँको कुनै जिज्ञासा भए कमेन्टमा लेख्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।